By the end of this video, you will know how to create and use custom fields in QuickBooks. If you are already logged in to QuickBooks Online, start by making sure the correct company is selected. This matters if your account has access to more than one company file, since custom fields are created inside the company you are currently viewing. Next, move to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. In the menu that opens, look for the Lists section, then select Custom Fields. This takes you to the area where QuickBooks stores the extra fields you can add to your forms and transactions. On the Custom Fields page, click Add Field, or if your screen shows a different label, click Create Custom Field. QuickBooks may vary slightly by plan or layout, but both options open the same setup process. Now enter a name for the new custom field. Use a name that clearly identifies the information you want to track, since this is the label that will appear when you use the field later in a transaction. After naming the field, choose the data type. Depending on the options available in your version of QuickBooks, you can select text, number, date, or a drop-down list. Pick the type that matches the kind of information you plan to enter. For example, a date field is best for a due date style entry, while a drop-down list is better when you want a fixed set of choices. Next, choose which forms or transactions should use this custom field. Depending on your QuickBooks plan, you may see options such as invoices, estimates, sales receipts, purchase orders, bills, or expenses. Select the forms where this information should appear. Make sure you choose the correct transaction types before saving, so the field shows up where you expect it. If your setup includes visibility options, choose whether the field should appear on forms or be visible to customers. This controls whether the information is only for internal use or can also be seen on customer-facing documents. Once those settings are in place, click Save to create the custom field. QuickBooks will add it to your selected transactions. To use the field, open an existing transaction that supports it or create a new one. In that transaction, locate the new custom field and enter the appropriate information or select a value if you created a drop-down list. The field should appear in the area assigned by QuickBooks for custom entries. After that, complete the rest of the transaction as you normally would, then click Save and Close, or use the Save option shown on your screen. Thanks for watching. Your custom field is now created in QuickBooks and added to the transaction where you entered it.